Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying basics. Check your Kali IP and Internet with IP and ping. This ensures reachability. Next, install a desktop and XRDP so remote desktop can serve a GUI. Run apt update, then apt install YXFCE for XRDP. Once done, enable and start XRDP with systemtil enable now XRDP and allow 3389/TCP in your firewall with UFWA or IPtables. These steps prepare the system to accept RDP connections securely and reliably. Now configure how XRDP launches the desktop. Create or overwrite // X session with Starks 4 so XRDP knows which session to start and ensure file ownership is correct. Then adjust XRDP settings in /etc/xrdp/xrdp. I if you need to change port, security layer, or session manager, make XWrapper. Config allow anybody to start X if necessary. Once configured, restart XRDP and confirm it listens on 3389. You do this to ensure the server will launch the right desktop for incoming RDP clients. Finally, connect from your client. Open an RDP client like Remina or Windows Remote Desktop, enter the Kali IP and port 3389, then log in with your Kali username and password. If you hit a black screen, check /. X session contents, inspect /var/log/xrdp session. Log and Zorg logs for permission or display issues, and make sure the XRDP service is active. One key troubleshooting tip. If the session fails, restart XRDP and your desktop session, and confirm your user owns the X session files before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.